LightingWill discount tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about LightingWill and how you can buy it. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, there is a link in the description below, so make sure you check that link out, as that will give you some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply and save money online. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the website LightingWill, and what you're going to do over here is you want to come over here and just simply click on shop appliances. Here you're going to see a bunch of different options. You've got so many different options. You've got bedroom lighting, living room lighting, kitchen cabinets, bathroom mirrors, gaming desks, outdoor garden, festival, cars. All sorts of lightings are available. You can even download the app over here and control them with your smartphone or with the remote. You have this little sync option that you can connect all of the lighting with. You can see everything, so it's pretty cool. So here, let's go ahead and shop by catalog. All right, we got ambient series, smart lighting, LED strips, bars, and everything. So let's go ahead and check out ambient lighting. Let's go with TV backlight, and here we've got these options right here, and these are two options. This is the HDMI. This will actually have a better ambience. It'll sync with the TV better and give you better colors and the lighting strip. And this one is just a simple lighting strip with a smart TV, smart remote, and everything. Both are pretty good. You can go ahead and check out which one you want. Then you just simply click on the one you want, select the configuration, how long you want it to be, and then click on add to cart. And then once it's added, just simply click on view cart. And then here you can just simply go ahead and click on checkout to check out it. And here at the checkout page, just simply go ahead and apply the discount code that you can find in the description below over here. Save your money and then fill out this form and you're good to go. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.